So we picked up a combo a stacked washer and dryer that was on the side of the road. Same place they always drop them off. It's an apartment complex. So we loaded it up and we're gonna get it out of the truck, and we're going to see what's wrong with it, and then we're gonna fix it. It should be easy money. All right, so a quick look at these. Look, this one actually has the power cord. It has water lines and it has the drain. Usually when I pick these up, they don't have any of that, so pretty stoked about that. I don't have to buy anything for it other than some broken parts, I'm sure. The front is kind of dented a little right there, but that's not horrible. So that side is dented too. Here is the, usually when I pick these up, it doesn't come with an electric cord or water lines or a drain. So having all that on there saves me some money. I'm pretty stoked about that. There's a quarter in the dryer vent. We're already up on this little project. So we'll get it stored away and plugged in and see if it works. All right, so we got everything hooked up on the washer dryer combo. I got power and I got the water lines hooked up. We can see that we got a green light right here, so that's a good sign. So let's turn the dryer on and see if it works. Make sure the door's shut. Seems to work. We'll make sure it gets hot, so we'll keep it running and make sure it gets hot and doesn't start a fire. So that's a good sign. While the dryer is going, let's see if the washer works. So I'll turn it on cold because I only got the cold hooked up. Auto sensing. Let's go with just a quick rinse. All right, we'll see if it works. Can you hear the washer going? So I got the hot cycle on and it seems to be working, so we'll see if we have any leaks. All right, so I pulled the front cover off, mainly because when it starts a spin cycle and rinse cycle and drain cycle, whatever, I want to see if there's any leaks from underneath. And with this off, I can easily I can feel it, I can check it, I can see it. This front cover is really easy to come off. There's just two clips. You put a flathead screwdriver here and right here and just kind of pry out and it comes right out. So let's see if it has any leaks. Spin cycle works on it. Everything's checking out so far. Wash cycle's done. It's all washed. We'll get it in the dryer, see if it dries it. But at this point, I think we're printing free money. So let's see if the dryer works. Seems to be working and getting hot. We'll check the vent, make sure that's getting hot. Right there. It's warm, so I know the element's working. Alright, the dryer cycle is done. Let's see if the clothes are dry. Look dry to me. Even smell nice and fresh. So I'm gonna list this on Facebook. I'm gonna list it about a couple hundred less than anyone else. So it should sell pretty quick. Hey, if you like this video, like and subscribe. That'd really help my channel out. So it helped me grow. So I appreciate it. Thank you.